Well, updates. Left Puerto Rico at 3 a.m. on the way to BVI, and yeah, I got lots of rain, a lot of big waves, heavy winds, mostly from east. Now suddenly the wind shifted towards south-southeast and it's going with 21 knots, which is not too bad for safety. But still, I have to use the engine just because I'm going against the current, and yeah, it's terrible. This is one of the worst sailing I've done compared to compared to 2015 in Bay of Biscay in February. But look at this. Look at this. It's just, check this out. All right, 1 minute 17 seconds, gotta go. Cheers, follow me.